What's up, guys? Me and Chase are heading to Anderson RC today. We're going to film a little bit, gonna probably get some new stuff that we probably don't need, but we're going to get anyway. We're going to take you guys to this hobby stop. It's really cool. It's about an hour and a half away from us, but it's got a huge selection, really cool guys, so we're going to go check it out. And today I took my buddy Chase, and he picked up something really cool, and we got a bunch of other little accessories and some bodies and stuff, so I'm just going to go through a little unboxing of everything we got, and then get you some running videos of this bad boy right here. It'll be fun, and here we go. So guys, Chase was wanting a bashing truck. Not that the crawler's not a basher, but he's got a lot of land at his house and everything, and he really just wanted something that was super fast. This will probably be super fast, and he wanted something he could just play with and not really worry about braking or anything like that. So he felt like this was a perfect truck. He really wanted a Stampede 4x4 VXL. They didn't have one. They had some two-wheel drives. No one wants two-wheel drive. So he picked up this. I kind of intrigued him and talked him into it, and he picked this up. I think it's gonna be perfect. We really know nothing about the truck other than it looks pretty sick. It's got a lot of ground clearance, and the tires are cool. They have some of these on display. It looks really beefy with the axles and stuff and everything. So we're just gonna go from here. And normal TQI radio. It's enabled, ready for the little wireless link if you want to do that. Just standard, doesn't have the little trim adjustments, has the traction control and steering trim and stuff. Then you got a little bit of tools, some of the shock spacers to adjust like the ride height and everything, some brochures and stickers. Don't really care about that, so we're just gonna jump straight into it. This thing is pretty sick. The tires are crazy aggressive, very hard compound almost, but they also flex a little bit. Just crazy. They are, wow, they are really hard. So the body, he went with a purple and orange. Looks really, really good. I like it way better than the other one. They have a green too. I really like that. Truck has a bunch of flex to it. It's crazy. See underneath of it. Looks really beefy, like we were talking about. It's got skid plates everywhere. The only thing it really exposed is that. I don't think he's going to hit that on anything. It should be perfectly fine. Little skid plate right here. This thing looks sick. Wheelie bar. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely going to have some fun with this. Alright, now forewarning, I don't know how to do this, but we're going to try it. Do it like that. Pick it up. It comes right off. That's a really cool feature too. No more body clips. Just this little quick release system. This will slide under the front. And you go in the back, and so you can go back and push this down and then turn that. It's a pretty cool system. We didn't know that existed till today, so that's really cool. Tracks to start something else. The body just looks awesome. This paint is really, really cool. It's got a black bed, plastic right here. So you'll scrape it hopefully, and the roll guards on the top. I really like that. That's pretty cool. Some bracing underneath. You really get better with the bodies. That's awesome. Hopefully that one will be pretty durable. So underneath we have the VXL 3S system by Chace, just standard equipment on their brushless trucks. Pretty beefy, already comes with a fan. Very, very cool.
on.